If you wish to live a sparkling life, then Dr. L.H. Hiranandani Hospital offers HIRA Regain. It's a center for evidence-based, integrated, and a holistic system of medicine that offers a number of initiatives as Restore for reduction of high cholesterol.
Cholesterol is literally a waxy substance that circulates in our blood. Research shows that Indians have a unique lipid profile where the triglyceride levels are very high and HDL, which is the good cholesterol, those levels are very low. This makes the smallest level of LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, adversely affect the body. It can form deadly plaques in the arteries, which increase the risk of heart diseases and can lead to sudden heart attacks. Your good health is our first concern. Considering this, we at HIRA Regain, with our team of experts, have worked on a holistic, evidence-based and integrated program to ensure a healthy you. Thus, we have created Restore. It is a curated program that works on every aspect of the lipid disharmony. This will include a variety of tests. The results will give the team an exact scheme on working on your health. The benefit you have is to come and have a free consult with the experts who will explain what the process entails. Come join us and let's together make a healthier version of you as we restore your good health.